Hallo. Hallo Leute. So, in German, we say hallo. In English, it's hello. And in German, it's hallo. Also, ich bin Divya. I am Divya. Und wie heißt du? And who are you? Ich bin Divya. Ich bin Divya. Und wie heißt du? Und wie heißt du? And who are you? Please tell me your name. So, in this course, we will learn many new things in German, like alphabets, that is alphabet, counting, Zahlen, colors, Farben, months, Monate, and many more things. So let's start our today's topic, that is alphabet, and in German, it's alphabet. Okay. So, as you know, in English, we have 26 alphabets, but in German, we have 30 alphabets. As you can see on the screen, you have 30 alphabets, A to Z, plus 4 more alphabets. That is O umlaut, the 2 dots on O is O umlaut, then 2 dots on A is A umlaut, then 2 dots on U is U umlaut. And then the last one is set. Set. So these are 4 more alphabets. So total in German, there are 30 alphabets. So let me sing for you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, O, Z, U, A, U, Z. So these are the 30 alphabets in German. Now we will learn one by one how to spell them, and then we all will sing together the alphabet song. So let's go. So A in English is A in German. It's A. Say A. Right. Next is B. In German, it is B. 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 Say, repeat after me, B. Yes. And the next alphabet is, can you guess it? It's C. Right. C. So in German, it's say. 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 Next alphabet, A, A, say, day. D is day in German. Day. Once again, day. Next is E in English, but in German, it's A. A. E is A. Next is F. F. Fisher. F. You know, F. It's F in German. Then it's G. G is gay in German. Gay. A, B, C, D, A, F, gay. Then the next is G, H. H is H in German. H. H is H. The next is E. I is E. Like we read, E is A and I is E in German. Next comes J. J is yacht. Repeat after me, yacht. Correct, yacht. After J comes K. So K is ka in German. Ka. Ka. Kuli. The pen, you know the pen? So it's ka. Ka. The next is L. L. Liver. Löwe, L. Next alphabet is M. You like mangoes? See, you have a mango on your screen. M. M for mango. M. Then next is N. N. N for nase. Nase means nose, your nose. Touch your nose, everyone. Nose. This is your nase, nose. N. The next is O. O. O for orange. Everyone has seen orange. So orange is O. We say orange. Orange. It's O in German. O. The next alphabet is P. And in German, we say P. P. Repeat after me. P. Correct. And this is the parrot on the screen, which is papagei. Papagei. P for papagei. Then comes Q. Q is Kuh in German. Kuh. Say Kuh. Kuh. After Q comes R. So in German, we say R. Say R. R is R. R. And this is the red color, as you can see, R. R for road. R. Next alphabet is S. S. S for Sonne, the sun. You know the sun? S. S. Sonne. Next alphabet is T. So in German, we say T. S. T. T. After T comes U. U. So U in German is U. 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 And this is the watch on your screen. U. Then comes V. That is V. Say V. V means V. And this is the bird on your screen. V. Next is W. W for whale, the whale. This is the whale, as you can see. W is Weh in German. Weh. Like initially we have to say V, now Weh. It's pronouncing as V. So Weh. Repeat after me. Weh. Can you say that? Weh. Yeah. Next comes X. X. X is X in German. X. Say that. X. Next is Y. And Y is Y. In German, we say Y. Y. That is Y. Y. Can you say that? Y. Y. And the last alphabet in English, that is Z, is set in German. Set. And you can see the zebra on your screen. It's set. Z. Now we'll study 4 more alphabets in German. That is A umlaut is A. This is the bear. You can see you play with the teddy bear. So that bear is bear. Bear. A umlaut is A. Next alphabet is O umlaut. That is ew. You have to twist your tongue and say ew. Ew. Like the king on your screen. King is König. König. Like we say Q. So that's how we say ew. It's ew. Say that. Can you say that? Ew. And second last alphabet in German is ew. Like we say ew. It's you. U umlaut is you. Are you able to say that? I don't think it's difficult. You. You say that, no? Mama, I don't like it. You. So it's you in German. And the last alphabet comes is set. So this symbol is pronounced as double S in German. Double S. So it's set. Set. Klar? And this is the road. So in German, we say Strasse. So Strasse, and the sign is represented as double S. So we say Strasse, double S. So it's set. See that? Set. Set. Sehr gut. Now, let me sing it for you one more time. And then we can sing it together. So, it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z. Yeah. U, E, U, Z. Now, you all sing with me. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z. U, E, U, Z. Yay! Sehr gut. Sehr gut. Now, let me clarify some of your doubts if you have. Have you noticed we pronounce all these alphabets in the similar way? Like be, say, day, a. Everything is pronounced like a, be, say, day, a. Right? In the same way we pronounce. And then comes one more letter, that is H. So in German, we say ha. Ha. Like in English, we do ha ha ha. So in German, it's ha. Ha. Next alphabet is J. That is yacht. Yacht. Say that again. Yacht. Then comes next one is R. R is R. R in German. R. Say that E-R. R. R. Next is V. V. V is foul. Say foul. 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 Next is W. W is V in German. V. V in the beginning, we have to say V. As you can see, it's double V, no? So we'll start it with V. V. And the last one for you is Y. In English, it's easy to say Y. And in German, it's more interesting. You say Ypsilon. Ypsilon. Say that? Ypsilon. Right. Now, this was about today's class. I would like you to learn all these alphabets at home. You can do it anywhere. You can learn them, you can sing them, you can narrate them, you can recite them as a poem even while going to bed or while playing, etc., etc. Go and tell it to your mom, your dad, your grandparents, okay? So practice these alphabets. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Now, we'll see you tomorrow or in the next class. Danke, auf Wiedersehen. Thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye.